Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 28 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 2501, longest square streak in an array. Okay, so you are given an integer array nums. A subsequence of nums is called a square streak if the length of subsequence is at least 2. After sorting the subsequence, each element except the first one is the square of the previous number. Okay. So if first number is 2, then next number will be 4 and the next number will be 16. Okay, like this. So 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16. Okay, like this we need. And the length of subsequence should be at least 2. Okay, 2 or greater than 2. This is what we need. Return the length of the longest square streak in nums or -1 if there is no square streak. Okay. A subsequence is an array that can be derived from another array by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. Okay. So these are the constants given to us. Size is very large, right? And let's see the example number 1. Okay, so here this is my nums array. Okay, so in this you will see this combination 2 4 and 16. Okay, so we get one combination, right? 2 square is 4, then 4 square is 16. Okay, so this is there in my nums array, right? So this is one subsequence, right? And the length of this one is 3, so that is why output is 3. Okay, so choose the subsequence 4 16 and 2. Okay, and then after sorting it becomes this 2 4 16. Okay, and we get 4 as 2 into 2 and we get 16 as 4 into 4. Therefore 4 16 2 is a square streak. Okay, but we are not returning the sequence, right? This sequence, we are just returning the length. Okay, so we will do one thing, we will initially sort it. Okay, so I will directly sort this nums array initially. Okay, and it can be shown that every subsequence of length 4 is an auto square streak. Okay, so here let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do here, I'm going to sort this nums array. Okay, so after sorting it is going to look like this. First 2 will come and then 3 is there, so 3 will come, then 4 will come, then 6 will come, and then 8 will come, and then after that 16 will come. Okay, nice. So here these are the elements, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 elements. Okay, yeah. So after sorting, my this nums array is going to look like this. Okay, and also I'm going to use the set. Okay, because I will then operate in just of one time complexity. Okay, so I will directly add all the elements in set 2 3 4 6 8 and 16. Okay, I put all these elements in my set. Okay, this is my set. Okay, now what I will do here, I have sorted that and I have added them into a set. Okay, so now initially my max length is 0. Okay, then after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to iterate over all the elements in my nums array one by one, starting from this particular index. Okay, this. All right, now here I will check first, my set is containing these two. Yes, then after that what I will do, I will do the square of these two. I will get 4. So if my set contains this 4, yes, true. Okay, then after that I will do the square of 4. I will get 16. I will check if this my set contains this 16. Yes, true. Then after that I will do the square of 16, but definitely the square of 16 is not there in my set, so I will stop. Okay, and what is the length that I have got here? It is nothing but 3. Okay, so this is going to be my current max length. Okay, then after that I will start from here. 3 and 3 square is 9. Okay, 9 is there, not there in my set. I will stop, no need to look further. Okay, because my next number is going to be the square of previous number. 4, and after 4 a square of 4 is 16, so 16 is there in set. Proceed further. Square of 16 is not there in my set. I will stop. So here length is 2, but right now max is this 3 only, right? So same way I will start from 6. 6 6 36. Okay, 6 into 6 36. 36 not there, stop. 8 8 64, not there, stop. 16 into 16, not there, stop. Okay, so max that I will get here 3. Okay, so now I'm going to write the code, same thing whatever I have explained here. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, so my nums of I, okay, value ranges from 2 to 10 is to 5. Okay, it could be very large. Okay, so when I'm doing the square, so values can be very large. Okay, which we can't accommodate in int data type. So for that I'm going to use long data type for a particular number. Okay, whenever I'm doing the square of two numbers. Okay, so in that case I will use long. If I don't use long, then I will get some issues in some test cases. Okay, so I will show you that. Okay, so now let's move to the coding part. So here do the same thing that I have explained here. Sort it. Arrays dot sort nums. Okay, after sorting, let's put them in one set. Okay, so here I'm using hash set. Okay, and hash set is consisting of nothing but integers. Okay, so here integer, and here let's name it as set is equal to new hash set, and then after that let's iterate over all the elements in my nums array one by one, and then we have to just put them into set dot add nums. Okay, this is done. And here after that initially max length is 0. Okay, so max length is equal to 0. Okay, and here you can use set also. Okay, no issues, as set, so you can use set as well. Okay, and here max length is equal to 0, and then iterate over all the elements in nums one by one. Again num in my nums. Okay, and here after that I'm going to use long start. Okay, if I don't use the long start, if I use int start, then I will get some issue. Okay, so here I'm using long start num. What you guys can do, just give int one time. Okay, after submitting this solution you can give int and then see what is the error that you are getting. Okay, so you will see a few test cases which you will not be able to pass. Okay, so that is why I'm going to use long here. Okay, and int current length is equal to 0. Okay, and here we are going to only proceed if we start with the valid number. Okay, so here I'm just going to run one while loop while my set dot contains. Okay, and here I am passing start. Okay, but in the set I'm storing integers, right? But my start is of a long type, so let's change it to int. So for that I'm going to use it like this. Okay, this is done. Now here inside this, what I will do, I will increment the current length plus plus. Okay, and here I am going to increment my start as start into start. Okay, just did the square of that, square the number. Okay, and we are going to break if we exceed a reasonable threshold. Okay, so here I'm just going to write if my start is greater than 1e5. Okay, so in that case also just break it. Okay, so here this is done, and here we have to update the max length only if the streak has at least two elements, right? This is given to us. So if my current length, okay, if my current length uh, is greater than 1, in that case only we have to update the max length. Okay, so max length is equal to math dot max of max length, and here current length. Okay, this is done. And okay, here this loop ends here, this for loop, and here in the end we have to just return -1 if no valid streak of at least two elements was found, right? So here return max length. If it is greater than 1, then in that case we have to just return max length, otherwise we have to return -1, right? So here -1. Okay, so now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So yes, set dot add nums. Okay, so there is some issue here. Set dot add nums is there. Okay, okay, num, we need to write num now one by one. We are iterating. Okay, we are taking this num. Okay, so that's why. Okay, let's see. So all the test cases has been accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Now here okay, let's do one thing. Can I comment this part? Okay, so let's see. Okay, I remove this. Okay, let's see if I am able to submit it. All the test case has been accepted. Now let's run it. So see, we are getting a few issues. Okay, so values are going a little bit above, right, range, in the range, so we have to break it. Okay, if my start is becoming greater than this range, then break it. Okay, because we will get some issues then. Okay, and also if I use okay, now if I submit it, okay, I added this line. If I submit it, all the test cases will be accepted. But here if I use int, okay, in the place of long, if I use int, then let's see what will happen. If I submit it, again a few test cases will be failed. Okay, so here see this test case got failed. Okay, so when I will do starting to start, okay, so this value is going out of range. Okay, so that is the reason we have to use here long, otherwise it will do a miscalculation because of int. Okay, now submit it. So this is accepted now. Okay, so what is the time complexity for this one? Okay, let's see here what it is showing here. So it is showing O for n log n. I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.